Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're old but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to do a mommy self-care routine. Ever since I posted my pregnancy announcement pictures, people have been asking me left and right, what do I use on my skin? So instead of telling them the long list of stuff, let's get into the video. So when I go into the bathroom, the first thing I like to do is grab my wireless speakers, and I either like to listen to my hypnotherapy birthing playlist or music or a podcast just to set the mood. The first thing I like to do is to mix up my bentonite clay mask with turmeric, and this is actually from Lulusholistic, and it costs $10.50. I like to mix mine with water because I have sensitive skin and also dry skin, and apple cider vinegar actually dries out my skin. But some of the benefits are it absorbs toxins, reduce acne, lighten pigmentations, hyperpigmentation and blemishes, tighten and shrink pores, and it treats alopecia, reduces eczema. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory. So I love this face mask a lot. Oh, and in case you want to purchase from Lulu's Holistic, my coupon code is 48Q. It's in the description box if anyone you guys want to purchase something from there. Absolutely love their products. It's black owned, female owned, for us, by us, and I love their products. But let's get back into the video. In the shower, and I like to use my Dial soap. Dial is an antibacterial, and this is the only body soap we actually keep in our house. It's not since Corona, it's not since any of that. It's the only soap we use. And for me, I like to add a drop of my Dr. Bronner's pure castile soap just to give me that extra pepperminty clean feeling. And I also use this soap on my children because it's really natural and pure and without any preservatives. And I also like to use a white rag to shower. I don't know if it's just me, but I like to use a white rag to see all the dirt and gunk coming off of my body and to know that my body is really clean. Next, I'm gonna go in with a body scrub, and this is the Tree Hut from my Target haul. I actually really love this body scrub. It smells amazing, and it's made with shea butter, Moroccan argan oil, rose hemp, and it leaves your skin feeling soft and more moisturized. Okay, the scent is amazing and the scent is lasting, and it actually gets all the dead cells off your skin and exfoliates your skin. And I also used to do an extra exfoliating with my Eco Tools exfoliating gloves, and that's what I use to get all the dead skin off my body. Next, we're going in with shaving, and I like to use the Aveeno shaving gel to shave with, and then I like to use the Flamingo shaver. These are new shavers. I actually really love them. They're so easy to use, they're affordable, and not only that, it comes with a holder for the shaver in the bathroom. It's so nice, and I just love the shaver a lot. It's the Flamingo shaver from Target. And I like to shave my underarms and my legs with a razor blade like this, but the other parts of my body, like my lady bits, I let my husband do that with a professional grade shaver, in case you were wondering. because my body parts are very sensitive and I don't like getting ingrown hairs or any of that. So that's what I do. Now to wash off my face mask, I'm either going to use my turmeric soap from Lulu's Holistic or my African black soap. And as you can see, I like to cut my soaps into pieces and leave them in my bathroom, because if you leave the whole bar, especially using natural soap, it's gonna disintegrate because they don't have any preservatives in there. So I like to cut my natural soaps up into little pieces and keep them in my bathroom, just as a pro tip. And as far as the turmeric soap goes, it helps lighten stretch marks, even skin tone. Now, since I like to walk barefoot outside and the beauty salons or the nail shop is not open, I like to get my foot bottom with a scrubber. And this is just a scrubber that I got from the dollar store to make sure my heels are not scraping up the sheets and stuff. And it does the job very well. I have no complaints. And for a lot of people are gonna say my skin looks smooth in pictures or smooth out my skin in pictures. No, I don't. You can ask my husband. My skin is actually smooth in real life, which is crazy and amazing. So yeah, this actually works. So if you're wondering if it's gonna work, it works. Okay. Now we're going in the facial portion, and all I'm using is my Pixie Glow Tonic, a vitamin C serum, and a moisturizer. That's all I'm using on my face. As you guys can see, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, but I can't get my chemical peels and my normal facial stuff. So this will have to do until then. For my deodorant, I like to use my Arm& Hammer Essentials roll arm or deodorant. This has no aluminum in there, and if you're a female, you need to make sure you're using an all natural deodorant to prevent you from getting breast cancer. Okay, next we're gonna go in with my moisturizer, my lotion, and this is the Lulu's Holistic Body Conscious Butter in Lavender, and this stuff is amazing. It moisturizes and hydrates the skin, leaves the skin soft, nourishes and restores skin tone, leaves the skin healthy and glowing, and is great for eczema, and it reduces the appearance of stretch marks and discoloration. Okay, it's amazing, and it's natural ingredients. If you guys want to know the ingredients, it's shea butter, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E fragrance, beeswax, and lavender fragrance. Okay, absolutely love this. It leaves my skin moisturized all throughout the day, and I have dry skin, so it takes a lot to keep my skin moisturized all throughout the day. So big up to Lulu's Holistic. My coupon code is actually 48Q again if you want to purchase something from them. And this is my quick pamper mommy body care routine. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below if you enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.